Welcome to Jurassic Park.
So I had some comments to try Gemini, which is Google's version of ChatGPT. So I asked it the same as I did in the other videos, and it came up with this Flexi Rex model. So I found this one made by Dr. Lex. And since I was printing this on the Cobra, I thought I'll print this at 300%. This come out really well, and all the joints work perfectly. If you have any suggestions that you want me to print, please let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.